I'm Laken, and we're going to talk about my first bike, my second bike, and my third bike. So first we'll go into
Well, what are we doing today? What's the point of the video?
So we're going to see about all of these bikes, and we'll do the oil change. So this used to be mine, but then it got into my brother's, and that one was
So what's
mine,
this one?
but we're selling that one.
So what's this one?
It's a Pee-wee.
Yeah. What's the other one?
The KDM.
Yeah. Why are you selling this one?
Because it's like too small for me and I can't ride it anymore.
Okay. Right, so what are we doing today? Tell us about your new one.
Okay, so this is the Husqarvana TC50. So what I'm going to tell you about is that this is a really cool bike. So I've ridden it, but it's going to be King of the North next week. So
You're getting plenty of practice in, aren't you?
yeah.
So what are we doing today with it?
So we're doing the oil change, and I'll show you the seat. Okay, so which way? Okay. That's the under. So what I do want you to know is the blue. So that is a kind of, that's what drinks. So it sips up all of.
It's your air filter, eh?
Yeah, so the reason why it's blue and like sponge is because it takes all of the yucks out of it.
Right.
And then and you can read that says probably what the Husqarvana TC50 says.
So where's, how many hours you done? Where's that? Where's your hour meter?
What there? Right there, can you see that blue thing? That's it.
How many hours you done?
Okay, so it's 2.6,
2.6, right?
2.6.
All right, so we're going to do an oil change then, yeah?
Yeah.
So we'll run in a bit. All right, what do we need?
So, we need
Some tools. Here they are. Put them over there.
Thanks, I didn't know where you put them.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to need somewhere to drain the oil.
Yeah. That's what we use to drain the oil. Okay.
In there. All right, where's the bolt?
Over here. Right there.
There. That's where we drain the gearbox oil. Okay, so hold on, let's get it into position. You just hold this. Okay, now it's into position.
Okay, so
All right, get the oil container and put it underneath. Hey, lot.
my brother's here.
Okay, is it a bit tight? Okay, do you want me to get it? Okay. All right, now you should be able to use your fingers to undo it a bit.
What are you doing, guys? We're just looking at It's probably
Okay, you hold that. Don't drop the bolt in. Remember, keep your fingers on the bolt as you're turning it.
Okay, it's quite hard there.
Keep turning.
The bolt?
No, you keep turning.
No, it's quite hard.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Off.
Not that one.
Again.
That one.
Okay. All right, take the spanner away.
Ugh.
Got it?
Ugh.
All right, we're going to pause.
Okay, so we just paused it so we could just get it going. Okay.
Hold it. Don't drop it in. Keep going. It's going to come out soon. Keep your hand on the bolt. Pull it away. Good boy.
Oh, yep.
Perfect.
I surely did get some of my finger.
Okay. Grab that.
Oh, yuck.
Okay.
Think we've got it going.
All right. What do you reckon, Lockie?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay. Now that that's going,
Right, so go grab a rag.
we just need to tip it because that's not right. That we just need to tip it.
Okay. Just leave that down, let it drain. Go get the go get that cloth up on the bench.
That's my motorbike.
Which one?
That one.
Good boy, yeah. It's yours, eh?
Yeah.
Grab the rag.
Where's the rest of it?
Yep.
I'll do
Now you
it.
got to clean that bolt. 'Cause it's got a magnet on the end that gets all the little bits of metal filings. Take it all off. Okay.
Use that bolt thing.
Yeah, it's the seal. Give that a good clean.
What's dripping?
That's the transmission oil.
What is dripping? There has to be a lot in there.
Yeah. Keep cleaning it.
What's hot? What's hot?
Good clean.
So, if you ever want to do what we are doing, watch this video because it's really important. If you have a Husqarvana TC50, watch our video.
Yeah. Okay.
Are we just doing
Right.
So,
That all
if you
clean?
have one of
Have you
these,
cleaned all in around here?
okay.
All in around where the bolt is? Sort of making more of a mess. Yeah, we'll clean that up properly soon.
Yeah.
Alright.
What? I need that. I just need that. Yeah, there's still some in there.
Yep, it's just letting it drip. Alright. So what do you like about the bike while we're waiting?
Because I could just because the way I like it, it's a little tiny bit faster.
Yep. A bit bigger, isn't it?
Yeah, bigger, a little faster. It's like you said that it's the same speed as the KDM, but it's actually faster.
Yeah.
It's just a little faster than the KDM.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Same motor but different carb jets.
so I'll hold you so my dad can tip it.
Okay.
Dad can tip it.
That's the chair. That's the seat, mate.
When Dad tip it. Are we just in there? When Dad tipped it. Okay, I've got it all right. See, there's no tanks on there. Guys, so I'm holding this and you can see, so that part is, so when you're riding this and it's the end of your riding, so don't touch the engine because it's going to be very hot. If you touch it, you'll burn yourself. Because I've done it with one of my friends' bike. It was quite hot. Oh, let's see here. Okay, so, oops, sorry guys. Okay, so it's getting quite good. Okay, so very good.
Put it down.
Let's see it. Okay, so swap that. Oh, look, no. Don't even try to lock. I'm never gonna let you. I think he wants to tip it or not.
There you go. You can tighten it up now. Okay, I'll take this away. Alright, you can use your fingers first to tighten it right in. Got it tightened right in. Keep going.
I want that one, Daddy. I want that one. This is going to be actually fun. So if we put some fuel in and keep that, we'll see if it goes, if it's old or good. It's taking forever. I'll do this, boy.
No, that's the wrong one. Get the other one.
Oh, thanks, Locke.
That's it. That's the right way. Keep going.
Oh, okay, it's quite hard.
Yep.
Dad.
Let me just do a check. Cool. All right, now we've got to put some
More fuel in it.
fuel in it. So we've already done the filter.
So
Alright.
you guys can get a better look at the fuel. I'll give you guys a great look.
Okay, Link, just put that away.
You guys will just need a good look. If you don't, that's not good. Okay, so let's get
Okay.
that fuel. Ugh.
Okay. All right, Link. Okay, so what are we going to do now?
So we're just going to put the. What did we take?
We're going to put
out?
the oil
It
back
was
in.
the oil. So we've got this oil to put in there.
Yep. So, all right. So what are you going to take out first?
Okay, so I need to take out that.
Yeah.
I need to take off that.
Yep.
So,
Remember, it's the same as your last bike.
yeah.
So anti-clockwise.
Oh, yeah. Anti-clockwise.
Yeah.
Okay, and there, I'm just almost there.
Okay. All right, so we're going to need that so you don't go spilling anything. I'll carry the oil across for you.
Yeah.
I'm going to hold it there. We're going in the hole.
Okay, so put in there. Tip in the whole thing.
Hold on, we need another lot. That was only 100 mil. So how many mils do we need to put in there? 2?
Mils. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's 200, isn't it?
Okay, that's enough. That's very big.
All right, have you got that? Do you want to hold it?
I'll hold it just in case. Just chip the whole thing in. Chip the whole thing. So you have to do.
Okay, are we good with that?
Yeah, looks good.
Careful, it's dripping.
Stripping.
Put that over there.
It's stripping. Okay.
All right, you go pop that back in.
Nice kick. Okay, so.
Make sure it's not tight. They can be a little tricky putting it in the first time. So I'll just get it started.
Okay, good.
There you go. Wind her in.
And in.
Okay.
Now that last one.
Check that's tight. Alright, so now we've just got to record how many hours it's done, when we did the oil change and when we do the next one. Okay?
Okay, let's take that.
Alright, it's all done.
Bye. Thank you.